5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slight left, 150, slowing. Slight right, don't cut, 40, turn square left, 30. Right of a crest, 100. Four right, past junction, tightens, to slight left, half long, don't cut, brake, and 6 right, tightens. And 1 left, tightens, and 1 right short, 30, square left, 40. Turn 3 left, 80. Five left short, slowing, and slight right, 40, turn, heavy right, don't cut. 80. 6 left, rough, 40, 6 right, opens, twisty, 270. Slowing, 5 left, 30, turn, square right of a crest, don't cut. Into slight left, 200. Go straight, through junction, 150. 3 left short, through junction, don't cut, 90. Long crest, slowing, 50. 6 right, 30, 2 left, bumpy, 40, 5 left short, 30. 6 right, slowing, 40, crest, and turn, 1 right, short, 450. Turn 2 left sharp, 80, 3 right, half long, 160. Caution, 5 left short, narrows, and square left, and 5 right, into 6 left, 100, slowing. Six left, and turn, 1 right, rock inside, and slight left, 30. 6 right, to slight left, slowing, 120. Turn, 3 right short, unseen, into 3 left, half long, tightens, 40. Turn, 4 right short, don't cut, 550. Turn, hairpin left, unseen. 220. Bump, slowing, 120. Crest, 30, turn, 1 right, 30, slight left, don't cut, 50, turn, square left, don't cut, 30. 6 left, 70. 6 right of a bump, 190. 6 left, and slight right of a bump to slight left, and crest, 50. 6 right of a bump, 80. 6 left, narrows, and 6 right short, 70. Slight left, slight right, slight left, long, 60. Brake, 6 right, 50, 4 left short, to sudden, 2 right, unseen, and 1 left, and 2 right, tightens, 170. Six right short, 110. Slight left, 80. 6 left, slowing, 100. Unseen, 2 right sharp, 30, 4 left short, 30, slight right, 70. Unseen, 5 left short, keep in and slight right, brake, 60, turn, square right, uphill, 60, 2 left short, into 6 right, 50, crest, 40, late 6 right, over crest, keep out, 100, slight right and 6 left short, don't cut, 50, slight right, over bump, 110, 4 right short, bumpy, 190. Late 3 left, keep in, 120. Turn, 1 right, rock inside, 600. Caution, 6 right to the crest, into 5 left short, over bump, 170. Double caution, turn 6 right, 6 left, and slight right, 70. Right of a small crest, slowing, 80. 6 right, through junction, late 4 left, 30. 4 right short, 160. Over finish to stop. Okay, that's a 6 minute 39.8.